Hello guys, welcome back to our channel guys. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe because on this channel we discuss about investing and anything to get your money right guys. So you don't want to miss out on our next job guys. So I went online and I see a lot of people asking this question guys. I look at multiple websites and this question comes up a lot, like a lot, that I need to do a video about it. And here is a question. It says, can I start investing in stock with just $10? So my simple answer here is yes, you absolutely can. Thanks to fractional investing guys, so many platforms now allows you to buy a portion of the stock even if the full share is expensive. For instance, if one Tesla stock costs $800, you can still invest just $10 and own a small piece of it. So apps like Robinhood, eToro, and Cheaper Cash makes this possible. So it's a great way to start small, learn how investing works, and build discipline over time. So the key is consistency and a long-term mindset. So guys, the first one here says Robinhood. So focus US stocks, crypto, ETFs and options. So the target audience is US residents and minimum investment is no minimum fractional shares available, which means you can invest at least $10. You can even invest $5 guys. There's no minimum amount you can't invest on Robinhood. And the key features here says commission free trade, stick UI real-time trade, and the pro says no fees, real-time trading crypto and stocks in one place. The con says not officially available in Africa, limited customer support, and it is best for US user or African with US residency looking for zero fee trading guys. So now let's check out Robinhood website. So this is how Robinhood website looks like guys. So you need to be in the United States before you can access this guys. So now let's go to the next one. The next one here says eToro. So eToro is a global stocks, crypto, forex and ETF. So the target audience are global users, sub-Africans, region supported. So the minimum investment on eToro is from $10. So key features is social trading, copy trades of top investors. Pros, you can follow and copy pro investors, wide range of assets. And the cons are higher spread, more complex for beginner. So best for user who wants to learn by watching experts and copy their trade. So it just depends on you. You have to choose the website that works best for you. So here is how eToro website looks like guys. So just go to etoro.com guys and you will see the official website of eToro. What you just need to do is create an account and you have yourself an eToro account. So the last one on the list is Cheaper Cash. So Cheaper Cash focus on US stocks and the target market are Africans and the diaspora. So minimum investment is from $1. So key feature says invest tab built into the same app you use to send money. So pro says combines investing with money transfer, very beginner friendly. And the cons, fewer educational tools limited to US stocks, and it is best for new investors who already use cheaper for payments and want simply stock exposure. So this is how Cheaper Cash website looks like guys. So just a simple and plain website guys. So as you can see, there is a Ghanaian, US and Nigeria. So it is available mostly for Africans guys. So you can trade US stocks on this guys. So that will be all for today in our video. If you like our video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and I'll see you next time.